June heat has a way of showing up fast. One week, your plants look steady and full. Then suddenly, by afternoon, the leaves are drooping, the soil surface looks dry, and the sun feels too harsh for anything tender in the yard. But many plants do not struggle in summer because they are weak. They struggle because the root zone dries out faster than the plant can keep up. A quick splash of water on the surface may look helpful, but in hot weather, much of that moisture can disappear before it ever reaches the deeper roots. Today on Smart Gardening, we are looking at one simple 5-minute morning method: deep watering at the base, followed by a light mulch cooling ring. It is not a miracle fix. It will not rescue every stressed plant overnight, but when done carefully, it may help plants handle June heat with a steadier, cooler root zone. The real summer problem usually begins at the soil surface. During hot, dry weeks, sunlight and warm air pull moisture out of the upper layer of soil very quickly. If the plant was watered lightly, only the top inch may be damp while the deeper root area stays dry. That is why a plant can look watered in the morning and still droop by afternoon. The roots are trying to pull in moisture, but the water is sitting too close to the surface, where it evaporates first. Shallow watering also trains roots to stay near the top, where heat stress is strongest. During June heat, the goal is not to wet the leaves or make the bed look damp. The goal is to help moisture settle where roots can actually use it. The first part of this 5-minute method is slow watering at the base of the plant. Early in morning. Morning is useful because the soil is cooler, the sun is lower, and the plant has time to take up moisture before the hottest part of the day. Instead of spraying the leaves, place the watering can or hose near the base of the plant. Let the water soak in slowly. For larger plants like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, hydrangeas, or young shrubs, pause for a moment and water again so moisture can move deeper. Spraying leaves may cool them briefly, but it does little for the roots. Wet leaves in the wrong conditions can also encourage disease. In summer heat, the root zone matters most. The second part is to shape a small soil basin around the plant. This does not need to be fancy. With your hand or a small garden trowel, gently pull soil into a low ring several inches away from the stem. This ring helps hold water near the root zone, instead of letting it run across the bed or down the pathway. It is especially helpful in raised beds, sloped areas, compacted soil, and containers where water can escape too quickly. The basin should be shallow. You are not burying the stem or piling soil against the plant. You are simply making a quiet little place where morning water can pause, soak in, and move downward where roots need it most. Once the water has soaked in, add the mulch cooling ring. Use a thin layer of straw, dry leaves, shredded leaves, composted bark, or untreated grass clippings. The purpose is simple. Cover the soil so the sun and wind cannot pull moisture out as quickly. Mulch also helps buffer daily soil temperature swings. Bare soil heats up fast. Covered soil usually stays more stable, which is easier on shallow feeder roots. But there is one important caution. Keep mulch 2 to 3 inches away from the stem. Do not make a mulch mound against the plant. That can trap moisture against the stem and invite rot or pests. Think of it as a donut shape, covered around the root zone, open around the stem. This method works best during hot, dry stretches when plants are losing moisture faster than usual. It is especially useful for vegetables, annual flowers, young perennials, and newer plantings that do not have deep root systems yet. But do not overdo it. If the soil already feels wet below the surface, wait. Too much water can push oxygen out of the soil and weaken roots. The best sign is not a perfectly dry or soaked bed. It is steady, slightly moist soil where the roots are active. Over the next few days, watch the plant in the morning and again in late afternoon. Some afternoon drooping can be normal in high heat. What you want to see is better recovery by evening, less crusting on the soil surface, and a root zone that stays more stable. June heat can be hard on plants, but the answer is not always more products, stronger fertilizers, or dramatic rescue tricks. Often, the most helpful step is a simple morning habit that protects the root zone before the day gets too hot. Water slowly at the base. Shape a small basin so the moisture stays where it is needed. Then cover the soil with a light mulch ring, keeping the stem clear. This will not prevent every wilted leaf, and it is not a replacement for a healthy soil or proper plant care. But during hot, dry weeks, it can reduce moisture loss, support steadier soil conditions, and give your plants a better chance to handle the heat. For more calm, practical backyard gardening lessons, stay with Smart Gardening